Hello guys, I'm here today. I've got BMW f11 2014 rich. So I guess as everybody got the same issues with leaking water inside the cabin. So I'm just gonna show you my rear footwell. It's got plenty of water. That's just the remaining basically. I already use a hoover to suck it out. So that's the hoover, but well, most of you have heard the easiest way is to strip the front car seat, the carpets and things to get into the grommet. I don't know if you all heard about yellow grommets that's leaking inside. Well, I wouldn't advise you to do that. It's a hell of a nightmare to get inside, and basically you just ending up with stripping half of the scar, I guess. But you all might think this is dry and then there's no way water's getting in, but you're probably wrong. You'll be really surprised how much water can it get in into the car. So if you want to save yourself a job with doing that, I don't know how much you can see up there, but basically you could I just can't turn the camera on, just hold on. So sorry, I just had to stop recording in order to turn the light on. So basically there's an easy way. You can either take the engine covers from underneath and then get it underneath, or you could there's a little hatch. I already took that off, so I can't show you what does it look like, but you can take a little inspection panel off. It's inside the engine bay, held by 4 Torx screws. The easiest way is to open it up. Just try to show you. Sorry, the camera gone off again. So this is the hold on. This is the grommet after taking the inspection panel off, and this is the drain point. So you might notice, because I didn't finish it yet cleaning, so you can see the dirt coming out here, and that's been basically blocked entirely. And if that's happening, this yellow grommet starts leaking into the inside of the cabin, which is quite bizarre, because as I said, you can see water in the front passenger footwell, but it does go into the back, which is the lowest point, and it starts collecting a lot of water. The last time I've socked the water with a hoover, I took it out more than a litre of water out. So if you want to fix it quickly rather than stripping the whole car off, this is where you have to go, and that's the easiest way to sort it out. And then obviously I was going to wait till dry day, and I'm going to use some silicone to block it all. If you like, you can buy yourself a new grommet and try to do it this way, but I wouldn't probably go this way. I'm still going to use silicone. It's going to be more permanent than the new grommet.